Hey Crypto Nation! Today we're going to look into the topic of Trezor hidden wallets, a feature that is both powerful and a little tricky if you're not careful. If you set up a hidden wallet and can't access your funds, don't worry. We'll also walk you through what happened and how you might be able to regain access. Let's get started. What is a hidden wallet? With a Trezor device, you can create a hidden wallet by using a passphrase. This passphrase acts like a 13th word on top of your existing 12-word secret recovery phrase. Each unique passphrase generates a completely different wallet. For example, entering passphrase with a capital P would create a different hidden wallet than passphrase with a lowercase p. Even a small difference in capitalization matters. Your recovery phrase combined with an even slightly different passphrase results in entirely separate wallets. This is what can lead to confusion if you're not careful when setting up or entering your passphrase. So, why bother with a hidden wallet? Well, the most significant benefit is enhanced security. Using a hidden wallet adds an extra layer of protection to your crypto. Even if your recovery phrase was compromised, your funds remain protected and can only be accessed using the specific passphrase you set. The most critical point to remember is that the passphrase system is extremely strict. If you forget your passphrase, there's no way to recover it, and you won't be able to access the hidden wallet associated with it. That's why it's crucial to either write down your passphrase and store it securely, or use something you're confident you'll remember. Okay, now if you're having trouble accessing your Trezor portfolio in Exodus, it's possible you may have entered the wrong passphrase. For instance, if you see the correct Trezor portfolio, but the send button is grayed out, that means the wallet is still locked and can only be accessed with the correct passphrase. Entering the wrong passphrase also means you've created a new empty hidden wallet, which you'll see as a new portfolio in Exodus. Now, this is because Trezor doesn't deny access if the passphrase is wrong. Instead, it just creates a new empty wallet. If you've forgotten the exact passphrase, the only way to gain access is through brute force. By this, I mean methodically guessing and checking possible passphrases. Start with common passphrases you might have used, such as your Exodus wallet password, your Trezor PIN, or other frequently used passwords. Write down each attempt while guessing to avoid repeating and to help systematically eliminate incorrect options. Finally, consider common typographical errors like spaces, capitalization, or added numbers, which can all result in a different wallet. Remember, the passphrase system is very strict, and each unique passphrase creates a separate wallet. Unfortunately, if you've forgotten your passphrase, no one can help you recover it. The only solution is the process of elimination. Hidden wallets offer an extra layer of security. They come with the responsibility of managing your passphrase carefully. Thanks for watching, everybody, and if you'd like to learn more about managing your crypto securely, click any of these videos to keep watching.